Are you ready to dive into the festive spirit with some delightful Christmas snowman cookies? To bring these frosty friends to life, we'll need sugar cookie dough, white icing, marshmallows, and orange and black food coloring. Got everything? Great! Now, on to the baking process. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit while you roll out your dough. Engage in the soothing process of rolling your dough to a thickness of 1/4 inch. Envision a snowy field as you press a snowman-shaped cookie cutter into the dough, creating charming little figures. Pop these into your warmed oven and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Watch as they turn a lovely golden color. Once our cookies are perfectly baked and cooled, it's time to bring our snowmen to life. Now the fun part begins. Decorating. It's time to bring our snowmen to life. First, let's split our icing into 2 parts. We'll color one part black, perfect for the eyes and mouth, while the other part will stay white, just like a snowman should be. Now grab a toothpick, your snowman's best friend. With it, we can apply the icing with precision to create our snowman's face. Start with the eyes, then the mouth. Remember, every snowman's face is unique, so don't be afraid to let your creativity shine through. And there you have it, your very own edible snowman, ready to spread the Christmas cheer. Making these delightful festive treats is as much about the journey as it is the destination. Wouldn't you agree? Look at these adorable snowman cookies, as charming as they are delicious. Just imagine the joy in your kitchen as you bake these festive treats and the smiles on the faces of your loved ones when you share them. It's the essence of the holiday spirit, wrapped up in a delightful, edible package. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Happy baking and Merry Christmas!